Hello, welcome to We Trade Bitcoin by Tuniverse. Today will be Bitcoin analysis video for 29th of April. Welcome back to this channel again. And yeah, it will be a continuation from, I guess, for all video of this week since Monday will be connect into the same story. So if you missed my previous video or you want to catch up what we are talking about right now, so please take a look at our previous video, yesterday video, and go back to maybe 1 or 2 days before. All right, so here we are looking at a weekly level. Let's take a look here. First, in this video I talked about how I do analysis. In every video I will keep it simple for the trader who is new in here, or if some of you move from hodler to become trader, or you learn, you want to make some more Bitcoin, you want to earn more Bitcoin from Bitcoin that you already have, right? So this is one of the strategies that I found its success to get more Bitcoin on the way, right? So if you look at the weekly chart in past 2 weeks, here we see price down here, but it slowed down from the steep drop here from 48 to 40, kind of quick in only 2 weeks, and then after 2 weeks the price moved sideways for 2 weeks. This is weekly chart, right? Anything that happened in these 2 weeks, we don't see much when we look at the bigger time frame like this. So I recommend you to first, before you check into the smaller time frame, please take a look at weekly chart first, so at least you can remove your anxiety because it just down. All right, it just down and stop. This is the picture that we see here. And one more thing I want to point it out in this video is, if you trading crypto or you are familiar in stock market, I will show you this. On the left side, this is a S&P 500. It's an index of stock market in United States. All right, and then this is Bitcoin price. You will see from around May, June, July, right? About July, yeah, you see we have correlation between US stock market and Bitcoin. Exactly. Look at the drawing here. 1, 2, 3, right? Look at the drawing here. 1, 2, 3, right? This is a significant correlation. I think this is our work to think about why Bitcoin price doing this, why Bitcoin price did in the past to move correlated to S&P 500. All right. First, I think maybe the investor, they look at Bitcoin as a risk asset. Yeah, same with tech stocks. Maybe that is also possible. And another thing is because of the funding between, investment between traditional market. Maybe they move from saving into riskier market is stock market on the left side and cryptocurrency Bitcoin on the right side. So from now I think we should keep our eye very close to how stock market move, and Bitcoin we can see correlation in here. After earning reports, usually we will see some move play out into the price. We have bounce here. Yesterday earnings of Apple and some tech stocks is looking good, so we might see S&P bounce back, but I don't know how high it's going to go, or it can be just small bounce and dump like this, also possible. So keep looking at these two. It will be correlation for some period of time for this moment. All right, so now we're back to weekly chart again. Here when we zoom in, we see like price are moving slower in last 2 weeks, and then what else we see in this video, I will make it one by one, make it very simple to you, right? We see volume. I talk about each part of the volume right here in previous video in last 2 days. Please go back to my previous 2 videos and look at it. You will get the sense that what I talk about, trading price, trading volume. All right, so now trading volume still go lower with selling volume coming in play. So this is why we see the price weekly chart keep lower and lower. All right, and yeah, so the price will be in the middle for some time, for 2 weeks, and then it's move up and down, volatility coming in. Let's zoom into daily chart. Okay, more details here. Move closer. Let's move closer to the sideways period. I will focus here. This is sideways period from December, from the beginning of 2022. All right, here we have a lot of buy volume and then sales volume coming back in last 2 days. We have 2-3 days we have buy volume back into market again, and then today start with sell volume. So we put it close the volume, and then what's next we found here is I want to show you again about daily rejection. This is daily rejection. I keep my eye on this. Because every time when price down below, around 39, and price got pulled back immediately during the day, right? Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Wow, it's so long. Price push back up like the whole time, for every single day, every single time it touched this war zone. All right, this is my resistance, this is my support and resistance here, and at this level I called it my war zone, right? So the major change is because this candle 4 days ago broke down into lower volume, and this changed everything, right? So from here price is never able to break, not able to break, and then it broke in just 1 day, and this show we keep our eye on this recovery. So how high it could be, to me it doesn't show much strength into price action. Right now we focus on price action and volume. So I can just say this is a strong buy or strong bull coming in is not yet. Let me pull out my mark here. Group 1, group 2, I think this is yeah, this is my prediction from yesterday. I have a trading strategy on my Patreon channel. If you want to know about detail and what I am react into each price action or how I trade, you can follow me on Patreon. You can support me there. In Patreon page, I will go deep into more details of trading, more details of risk management and position sizing, something like that. But in here on YouTube, I will keep it simple. I will not like tell you like, okay, we're gonna do this and buy here and sell here, because in reality, we have more detail that we need to concern a lot more. Also, I think it will be more general audience to watch this video on YouTube, so I will be cautious about this. Try not to tell you when to buy and when to sell, but I will give you some clue and let you do your own thing, is to analyze this video. Is it look promise to you? Is it look like does it make sense to you, or anything? It can give you some ideas. Sometimes maybe you did not, like for example, you did not look the correlation between stock and crypto, for example. Now you know, right? So I will try to bring you knowledge and to give you to be aware of both scenario, because I'm focusing on trader. I'm not going to tell you price go down to zero or price going to go up to the moon all the time. This is the reality. I will give you two different sides of coins, right? And then you use your strategy together with this information. All right, so today continue to this. I found something very interesting. Is let me close the rejection. And where is it? Price range? No, not the price range. Group 2, no. Okay, one day call out. So here, I found it. Sorry, so I'm a little bit slow today. Not enough coffee maybe. Before market open here, this is what I found today, and it shows weakness of the trend, weakness of bulls. For the big picture, okay, let me zoom out to the big picture. For like if we turn back here, so you know, no worry, we still have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? So in the big picture, in the bigger time scale, to me, it's I look at Bitcoin. They are in the bull market. I have this bias as a bull market, but anyway, we are trader. We have to look into different time frame. If we are look closer into this time frame, and we found, all right, in a shorter time frame during the month, maybe period of time, we found rejection here, yeah, on the resistance here, and then when the price broke back down, try to come back, we found another rejection into this level. This level is quite significant because every time when price down to this level is always like a bounce or can be resistant also. So I mark this area between 34, yeah, 32 to 31 become rejection, and also very small rejection here. It also significant because it affects the price back down to 27 February, and it's small bounce here always, right? So we have rejection and rejection yesterday. So it's not looking good at all for the buyer, for the bulls. From now on, what we are going to do, I will take my eye close to the buyer zone. Right now we are coming into buy zone, right? So why I call this buy zone, let's zoom out to here. Usually in bull case of the market, buy zone always lift up the market by elevate the level up little by little until we see the signal of clearly bull market, right? So first thing was happened around 36 here, and then price got pushed back, yeah, and then second time the level from here, right, move a little bit higher to around this level. Do you see? Yep. And then it moved up to this level, right? This is what we have to keep eye on. So we hope this will be the zone that people are buying, is the bull trader are waiting here. This is my, in the green mark here, this is my buy zone. I have my strategy running and cover profit on the way up and on the way down. If you want to learn about details, so look into my Patreon page. So but today in short term, it looks like price will be weak during this is the Friday, the last day. Of course, some of the trader algorithm and bots are going to close the job, close the deal, and try to finish the weekly report, right? And weekend is gonna be low volume as always. So I suppose the price for today and this weekend to come down here, retest, and go continuation down, right, into this area. And we hope during this, in between this level, the buyer will step in, yeah. And when they step in, we will see how much aggressive or how aggressive of bulls and the buyer will do their job, right? If they are aggressive buy, we are more likely to see trend move back up. Yep. Anyway, so we see a lot of downtrend. We see a lot of, okay, if we consider as a downtrend now, before in previous week I have a bias like this. This is a downtrend, and this could be potential sideways, and it could be reversed back. But after first rejection, second rejection, third rejection, and small rejection, it looks like price not able to even move sideways, right? It looks like the price will just weak and weak and weak and weak, right? To be frank, so we have to, in short term, if we plan to get profit from this strategy to earn more Bitcoin, you have to catch the trends, even it go down or it go up. But anyway, don't forget that we have strategy to hold the Bitcoin for long term, and then we can generate more Bitcoin, right? This is the path that you should generate more Bitcoin in this scenario. If we found the potential of price weakness, so we can go into derivative shorts. You can buy short Bitcoin for some gap like this. You can make like 4% down, and that means you earn more Bitcoin, yeah. So better than you sit on your Bitcoin and let your assets shrink, your portfolio shrinks back down here. So I'm going to see what the price today will play out, but I think it will go back down. So yeah, let's zoom into 12 hour. All right, this is 12 hour. Yeah, nothing looking bullish here, so we have more clue to indicate the price will go down here. So let me show you what is it. So it was a, do you see this candle in the middle? This is called doji. Yeah, it was another doji here, and if you look at another doji here, another doji here, right? So another doji here, right? So this means anytime when doji appear on the charts, mean price will reverse, price will move back down, or price going down, and without doji price will move back up. So trend reversal coming in play right now. I hope the price, okay, first doji price move down and then bounce, another doji price move down, bounce doji again, price should move down here. All right, more sign of downtrend. Okay, now it's time to go out from the bearish vision. How we can see the bullish here in here, bullish side. Okay, where is the bullish side? Not anything. You see anything here? Not anything here. Not bullish. Lower low, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low. Not bullish into price action in short term. And what about the longer term? Okay, longer. Okay, longer chart. We have lower high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. In long term, in bigger picture, still look not so bad. All right, but in short term, at least next week, from today to next week, at least Monday, right? At least Monday before market open, it's gonna show the reflection of stock market, right? So we can see the stock market. If the stock market bounce, or if stock market continue tank down, it will affect a lot into cryptocurrency, into Bitcoin. In this case, I think you can not a recommendation. All right, this is not a financial recommendation, but anyway, if you are hodler and you think this price, it makes sense to you to time to buy for you, you can just stack your set into your long-term portfolio, into your hodler wallet. All right, you can switch between trading and hodling and manage your money. You don't have to trade all the time when the market is look like this, or if you think it's difficult to trade for you, just stop. You don't have a job to trade every day. It's not a job. Our job is making money. Our job is to earn more Bitcoin. Our job is not forcing by someone to trade every day. You don't need to trade every day. All right. Yes, I think price should go downward. Okay, another thing that I pull out into yesterday video, some of you might look into the technical price action chart, like the falling channel, something like this. I don't do so much usually, but if you're looking into falling wedge channel is one of my favorite technical analysis trend that I use, right? Other than falling wedge and rising wedge channel technical analysis, I don't use another TA at all. I use only two things that I found it works for me. In this case, if we looking at the falling channel, so we could use our imagination. Okay, maybe price will move between here and here and squeeze until it break from the channel here, and then we will look for the opportunity when the price break here, right? But to trade in this squeezing price, it must be very difficult for some of you. So be cautious, the volatility will come and it will be strange of the price movements, because when price is squeezing like this, it's very difficult to trade. I will recommend to sit sideline doing your analysis, keep your cash, keep your Bitcoin, wait for the good opportunity to trade. Yeah, but if you follow my strategy on my Patreon, from here I got a signal, I shared strategies with you, so you must be in profit already, because we got a short position open right now. So let's see what is going to play out in next week. And today, take it easy, looking at the market, looking at the S&P 500 stock market, and yeah, see market in general, and wait for a squeeze to happen until it passes, and then coming back into trade again. This is all for today. It's quite long, guys, but hope you like it. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe on this YouTube channel. If it the content that you like, if it's good for you, if it fits your strategy, if you are Bitcoin hodler, I hope you like it. See you in next video. Thank you very much for joining me into this video. Have a good day, guys.